Need to make a single, scheduled payment for a future date? Scheduling a one-time payment in Bank of America online banking is perfect for bills that aren't on autopay. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Log in and go to Bill Pay. Select the payee, or add them if it's your first time. Instead of setting up a recurring payment, choose Make a Single Payment. Enter the payment amount and, crucially, select the delivery date, the date you want the payment to be sent. Review the details and submit. The payment will be processed and sent on the date you specified. My crucial pro tip? Understand the delivery types. For electronic payments to large companies, it's often same day or next day. For checks mailed to individuals, schedule it 5 to 7 business days before your due date. The system will usually tell you the estimated delivery date. Use that to guide your scheduling. Take control of your payment timing without having to remember to log in later. What kind of bill do you most often schedule as a one-time payment? For more guides on precise money management, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.